What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, we all know meme coins have their own way of popularity, right? You see the amount of money that flows into these projects, and the reason why they flow into the projects are for one reason and one reason only, and that is for investors to make a boatload of money. When you see the meme coins of 2020, the 2021, and how that picked up, you look at Dogecoin, you look at Shiba Inu as ones that are leading kind of the pack here in success. And then you have other things that are that we're picking up worth hundreds of millions of dollars, while these were worth multiple billions of dollars, and seeing multiple billions of dollars that are flowing into them on a daily basis. So for this meme coin, bull run, meme coin season, everyone's looking for the next best thing and what's going to blow up. And there's so many options that are out there. And there's no right or wrong play that you're getting into unless you're into something that literally has no popularity and has no building to it or whatever, right? But they're at the top of the list. When you look at all the meme coins, there's really no wrong answer as to ones that are going to blow up for you. So what I'm going to do within this video is I want to go through projects that I believe, right, are my top meme coins, right? This doesn't mean that these are the top meme coins to move. This means that these are my meme coins that I am investing into or already have invested into for what this potential, meme coin season, bull run, altcoin season ends up being. So I have my top ones that I want to bring to the table, and I expect you guys to have either maybe one or two, or you could have three of them. If you're all into meme coins, then you could have all three of them. But I don't expect everybody to have three of them. I expect, people to have their own options that are out there, whether you're talking about Brett or you're talking about something that's just meme coin or whatever, right? I really can't remember all the different meme coins, but still, you have your own that you're investing into and that you believe in. So, with that being said, let's get into this video here today. I'm going through my top meme coins for 2024. So guys, if you could hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter or follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Now, also, if you want to invest into some of the more popular meme coins like Pepe, Shiba Inu, and Dogecoin, you can do that over on Margex, where you can leverage trade up to 25x leverage on those positions specifically, 100x leverage on BTC, on ETH, 50x leverage on XRP and Jasmy Coin, and many other projects. Feel free to go ahead and check out that link for Margex in the description. Now, again, the meme coin market, you can see, is worth $55 billion. The overall market cap for all meme coins, $55 billion, with $7.1 billion worth of trading volume. This is no sleeper sector, right? This is a sector that sees so much money compared to ones that have actual use case. It's crazy to see that this is a sector that has this high of volume as well as long-standing market cap. When you look at Dogecoin, it's sitting at a $23 billion market cap. Shiba Inu at a $14.5 billion market cap. Pepe, $3.5 billion market cap. Dog with Hat, 3.3, 1.8 for Floki, 1.7 for Bonk, right? So you have many different projects that are out here that are worth multiple billions of dollars now, and we still haven't seen the true altcoin season. We still haven't seen Dogecoin run up to 100 billion, Shiba Inu up to 100 billion, Pepe probably to the level of 40 or 50 billion, Dog with Hat the same level, right? I expect to see all of these worth a lot more than where they stand, and also see the trading volume at a ridiculous level for this sector. So with that being said, let's go into my top meme coins that I decided to invest into, that I believe in the most. And the first one I want to start with is Grok. I've talked about Grok many times. This is the most that I've ever invested into a meme coin. I invested $7,000 into it. I'm currently at a value of $12,766. I expect this to get to a value of, if it does get a value of $3. I would expect somewhere around a $3 million or $3 million that I would have there because I currently have a million Grok. However, throughout that process, I will take my initial investment as it gets to a level of 5 cents and 10 cents. I will take my initial investment as well as maybe some profit. So I don't expect to get $3 million at a $3 level. But honestly, Grok getting to a $3 level is not going to be ridiculous because it has a 6.3 billion circulating supply, meaning that it only needs to get to a $6.3 billion market cap in order to get to a dollar, compared to something like a Pepe that needs to get to a ridiculous market cap in order to get to a level of a dollar, as well as looking at some other projects that are out there that need to get to a ridiculous level in the multi-billions, or 50 billion, 500 billion, or even trillions in order to get to that level of a dollar. Now, this also has the not full backing of Elon Musk, but when you see him talk about Grok, this Grok ends up moving quite a bit. Any type of big news about the Grok AI chatbot, this moves a massive amount. So I expect to see this move as well. And that's why I decided to invest $7,000 into it, because it has a low supply. It has a lot of popularity. It has, Elon Musk that is not attached to it by what Elon Musk says, but if he says anything about the Grok chatbot, in a way, it's connected to this project, because people will talk about it. Oh, Grok did this, Grok did that. Well, hashtag Grok is also under this position. So it's a way of kind of pinning those two together and seeing the popularity grow based on those things there. So I currently have 1 million Grok that I invested at $7,200, and I have $12,776. And if we look at all history of where this has been, it's been to a 2.2 cent price. It's been to about a 3 cent price. I expect to see this way higher than that, up to, a 10 cent, 20 cent, 50 cent, a dollar, $3 level, for this level of popularity that we will see within this position. The next one that I have is going to be Book of Meme. This is another one that I invested a decent amount into. I currently have about $4,600 that is invested into this project, which I have 416,000 Book of Meme. This is something that has gained a ton of popularity very, very quickly, right? When it came out of nowhere, it was seeing $1 billion in volume. It saw a 1.6, I believe. I don't know the exact number. Hopefully it does show me. But I believe it was like a 1.4, $1.5 billion market cap overall. And this was in a short period of time, right? All history is back from March. Like, that's only 2 months ago, right? Back from March is crazy to say that it's had this much success early on. And I decided to double down and triple down as it did come back. I expect much more than just this $1.5 billion market cap. With the level of volume that we've seen within it, I expect more volume to actually get into this, and this to skyrocket to a whole nother level. Currently seeing $300 million worth of volume, 48% volume to market cap ratio. It shows that level of popularity. Very simple meme coin. I am currently down on this play because I'm basically at my break even, which makes me want to invest more to get a million, because I feel as though this is 100% going to get to a dollar, which would be a $55 billion market cap. That's kind of the level and the area where everybody wants it to get to, is a dollar for a lot of these meme coins. Dog with Hat was the first one to get to a dollar, let alone $3, I believe it got to, which is absolutely phenomenal to see for a meme coin. But we obviously want to see, things like Grok and things like Book of Meme reach those levels as well. And the last one that I have on this list as my top 3 meme coins is going to be MAGA Trump. Now, I only have $1,000 that's invested into this, and I honestly want to invest a little bit more. And the reason why I say that this is a good meme coin is because we are heading into election season. For 2024, this should be massive. If we are going to see altcoin season, this should be one that is absolutely massive and worth so much more than where it stands right now. I'm currently below my cost basis. I believe I invested $1,400 into it. And I think I want to buy more. I just haven't gotten around to doing so. I bought on the BNB side instead of the Ethereum side. You can buy on multiple chains here. Ethereum, let me get back in here. BNB, Solana, Base. You can buy it on all of those if you want to. But this only has 42 million circulating coins in supply, and sitting at a 198 or $200 million market cap. I feel as though there's so much more room for growth, and how strong this will be based on the popularity that we have seen. We only are seeing about $2.8 million worth of volume, and you have many different markets that it is available on. And I want to see some of the S tier exchanges that are going to be creating that level of volume. But I feel as though election coins are going to be big, and you may have your own election coin, but I think MAGA Trump, I'm not, picking one side or the other. I'm just pro gaining money based off of these investments, especially if they are meme coins related to the popularity of the election, right? So that's the reason why I'm investing into this, and that's the reason why I see it as something that could be successful, very very successful, because as we get closer to election season and altcoin season and how they meet up, I expect this to be big. So I haven't decided to invest any more money into it, but I am definitely thinking about doing so. So if you guys could, let me know what you think about these meme coins. There are other ones, right? I'm not talking about Dogecoin. I'm not talking about Shiba Inu. There are other ones that are out there that a lot of people are big fans of. Again, whether you're talking about things like, Brett, or Dog with Hat, or Bonk, or Cat in a Dog's World, which has been making a huge move recently, or even talking about anything else that's on the list, any of the Solana memes. There's a ton out there, and I hope that you guys find as much success as you want to, gaining hundreds of thousands or millions of dollars, but also pay your taxes, guys. I'm gonna get out of here. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And yeah, I'm gonna get out of here, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.